Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to find Toenail in the grounded. So you can leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment and enjoy my gameplay tutorial. So location of this toenail is here. You must be behind this grill. Now you must jump on this bike and follow my path. I will show you. Jesus. You also should have Dandelion because you must fly in one moment. So you need Dandelion. You can do this without this item. Now jump off this bike here and go right. By the way, there is lint on left side, spiky bar, and there is location of mantis. Okay, now on the snake garden. Jump here on this stick, baseball stick. There is raw science. I don't care, honestly. Okay, now here you must watch out for this black ants. Now you must jump here and you must use Dandelion, guys. Okay, you see what is there? So get inside, and here you have always four toenail. I guess here should be more, but it's still respawn. It's respawn, so don't worry. You should came here, I don't know, every day, but after a few days you have toenails again, guys. Okay, and I made it. That's how it's working. So I hope I helped you. You might also like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time in my other tutorials. Bye bye.